Let's say what is MuleSoft. In today's world, different systems like Salesforce, databases, external APIs, and other applications need to communicate with each other. But the challenge is that this system often use different formats and protocols, so they cannot connect directly. MuleSoft solves this problem by acting as an integration platform that connects system and enables smooth data flow through APIs. So now let's understand what is Mule for message structure. In Mule 4, everything that flows inside your application is called Event. But what exactly inside this event? Let's understand it in a simple way. As you can see in the diagram, the outer box represents the Mule event, and a Mule event mainly contains three parts: message, variables, and error information. Now let's zoom into Mule message, which is inside Mule event. A Mule event has two components: payload and attributes. Payload is actual data being processed. This can be JSON, XML, file data, or anything your flow is working on. And attributes are metadata about the payload. For example, HTTP headers, query parameters, file details. And remember, attributes are read only. Next, we have variables, which are stored at the Mule event level. Variables are used to store temporary data, passes values between different components in the flow. And finally, we have error information. Whenever something fails in the flow, Mule stores error details here. This helps in error handling and debugging.